and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, it's going to be making 2 different slimes. And today I am doing a collab with my best friend. Shimmer, shimmer, shine. Oh yeah, so her channel is Melina Storms. She's not set it up yet, but it will be soon. And this video will be up on her channel after New Year, so I will link her channel down below. So yeah, let's just get right on to the video. So the first slime we will be making is fluffy slime. So first take your container and your glue and pour your glue into your container. I'm only doing a little bit because I already have a ton of this slime, so yeah. Then add some shaving cream, and the trick is to add less than your glue. Then just mix it together. Then you're going to want to add a couple squirts of foaming facial cleanser. Then add a couple pumps of some lotion. Now just mix that all together and then add your slime activator really gently. Now you're just going to want to mix that all together. Now I am just adding this fluffy slime into my big thing of fluffy slime, so yeah. So there is your fluffy slime. Now for this next slime, which is bubblegum slime, all you're going to be needing is shaving cream, glue, foaming facial cleanser, baby powder, and lastly your slime activator. So now you are going to add your glue into your container. Now take your shaving cream and spray it in there, but the trick is to add less than your glue. Now just mix that all together. So now add a couple pumps of your foaming facial cleanser or hand soap. Now you're going to want to add your baby powder. Now add your slime activator. So keep adding your slime activator if needed, but you should end up with this texture, and there is your bubblegum slime. So you guys for watching this video. Don't forget this is a collab with Melina. And yeah. Love you guys so much. Bye guys.
Love you guys so much. Bye guys.